hair just glowing.
If you want to go on a healthy skincare journey route, then join the family. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys my full body care routine. Basically, everything I use on my skin. So if this video is something you're interested in, sit down and watch this video till the end. Okay? The first step we'll go into is cleansing. Cleansing is very, very important. You can also double cleanse. The first product I use to cleanse my skin is the Dove, the pink one. If I want to double cleanse, I use this first. Then I go ahead to use this Ashanti papaya and honey soap. But the days I don't want to double cleanse, I just use this soap. You can also use your shower gel. You can use this tablet soap and your shower gel. It just depends on what works for you and what is perfect for your skin type. These are the two products I use to cleanse my skin. These products are mild on the skin. It helps to brighten your skin. It helps to moisturize your skin. It helps to nourish your skin. It helps to lock in moisture on your skin. So this is what I use and this is what I use. So you can use this alone and you can use this alone, or you can just use the both whenever you want to double cleanse. These are the products I use. So that's what we use for the first step, which is the cleansing of my body. So the next step we'll go in with, we'll exfoliate. Exfoliating is very, very important in your skincare routine. Exfoliating helps to clear the dead skin cells from your body. When you exfoliate your skin, it helps all of your products to work effectively. You exfoliate 2 or 3 times in a week. Please don't over exfoliate your skin. If you're exfoliating and you notice that the product you're using is a bit harsh or it has this tingling effect, maybe you could just reduce the way you exfoliate your skin. Maybe your skin is becoming sensitive. So exfoliating is something I always recommend for you guys to do in your skincare routine. I don't mix exfoliating my skin. That is basically what I do. This is what I use currently to exfoliate my skin. I also use other scrub. I made a video about the scrubs I use on my skin. I'll link the video up here. Click it and watch the video. All the scrubs I've used, and I use them to exfoliate, and they are very, very nice. This is what I currently use. I personally prefer sugar scrub because sugar scrub is a bit soft on the skin. People with sensitive skin can use a sugar scrub. People with different skin type can use a sugar scrub. But a soft scrub, if you have a sensitive skin, I don't recommend you use soft scrub on your skin. But if you have normal skin, if you have oily skin, you can use a soft scrub. But if you have a normal combination sensitive, please go for a sugar scrub. So this is what I use to scrub my skin. So when scrubbing my skin, I go in with the glove, this hand glove. First of all, in cleansing, I use my normal sponge to cleanse. Then when scrubbing, I use this. I use this to take the scrub and I'll use it in a circular motion on my skin. I use this to scrub my skin. And when after scrubbing, I leave the scrub on my skin for like some minutes, maybe like 30 seconds, 1 minute, then I wash it off. That's basically what I use when exfoliating my skin. Okay, this is what I use to exfoliate. This is a scrub. You can use any scrub at all, any good scrub, not just any scrub, but any good scrub. Soft scrub, sugar scrub is very good. You can use them on your skin to exfoliate. Please, exfoliating is very, very, very important. Anyone that tell you that exfoliating is not good, don't listen to the person. Exfoliating is very, 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 very important. It clears all the dead skin cells from your skin and it makes your skin to be open and be able to receive any other product you apply on your skin. So all of you that are saying, oh, my skincare is not working, I'm getting that, are you actually exfoliating your skin? So when you exfoliate your skin, I think you will get maximum result. Okay, the next thing I use on my skin is this Vit hair remover. This is what I use for my armpits. I use this to remove my hair from my armpit. I don't use shaving stick on my armpit. Before I used to use shaving stick and I noticed it was always giving me bumps and it was not actually removing anything. It was making my armpit dark, so I stopped using shaving stick. So this is what I use, and since I started using it, I love the outcome. So if you want something to be using on your armpits, you can get this particular Vit hair remover. This is very good. Please don't use it down there, just use it only on your armpits. That's what I would always recommend, because using this down there is not that safe. I don't know, it's not good. I will not recommend you use it or you can use it on your armpit. I use it once in a week or sometimes once in 2 weeks. This is what I use to remove hair from my skin. Okay, so guys, if you got it to this point, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. So the next method I go in with is I moisturize my skin. Moisturization is very important in your body care routine. You need to moisturize your skin, because after you finish exfoliating, you remove all the excess oil on your skin, you need to like moisturize so you can lock in all the moisture and every other thing you lost during exfoliating or cleansing your skin. So I go in with my body lotion. The current body lotion I'm using right now is this one, the Dazen body vitamin C body lotion. This is what I use on my skin. I use it to moisturize my skin. I use it in the morning, I also use it at night. You can use any good moisturizing body lotion. I'll put up some body lotion on the screen that you could check out and you could try out. Okay, this is what I use to moisturize my skin. I use this to moisturize my skin. After moisturization, I go in with a body oil. All this will help to lock in moisture, will help to nourish your skin, and will help your skin glow very well. Okay, so I go in with the body oil, this Vaseline cocoa butter body oil. This particular body oil is very nice. That's what I'm currently using right now. As you can see, that's what I applied on my skin. It will help your skin lock in moisture, it will hydrate your skin, and it will help your skin glow. So I use this in the morning time, I use this daytime on my skin. After using my body lotion, you can use any body lotion, you can use any body oil. I'll put up pictures of body oil you could use on your skin. So this is what I currently use right now. Then in the night, I go in with this Dazen vitamin C body oil. This is what I use with the lotion on my skin at night. This vitamin C body oil is very nice. It's lightweight, it will hydrate your skin, it will brighten your skin. So this is basically what I use at night after applying my body lotion. Okay, then after that, I go in with my Vaseline, the Blue Sea Vaseline. Yes, I use this on my skin. This is one of the secrets to having a moisturized skin. I use this on my skin. I apply this on my breast, and I also apply it on my tummy. I don't apply my body lotion on my breast, and I don't apply it on my tummy. I use this for my navel, I use this for my breast, I use this for my tummy, I also use this for my ear, and sometimes for my leg and my hand. This is what I use on my skin. Yes, I know most of you will be surprised. Yes, Vaseline is very important. You should include Vaseline, this Blue Sea Vaseline, in your skincare routine. You can also use it on your body. You can use it to moisturize your skin. It's very nice. This is a healthy one way you can have a healthy glowing skin. So go ahead to use this Blue Sea Vaseline. Okay, this is one of the oil I was using before, but it's finished. As you can see, I'll be making a detailed video about body oil, so watch out for the video. So this is what I use for moisturization, Blue Sea Vaseline. This is what I use. Then after this, I go in with my Nivea roll-on. This is what I use on my armpits. This is what I use to, I like this, I prefer this to the spray, the ones with spray. This is okay, this is very nice. This is what I would recommend you use on your skin, especially if you don't want to have a very dark armpit. This is what I'm currently using. I used to use those spray one before, but since I started using this, I prefer this on my armpit. The next step is to protect your skin. That's when I'm talking about the daytime. I use this sunscreen, this Gavian sunscreen on my skin in daytime if I'm going out. This is basically what I use to apply on my skin to protect my skin. Then at night, I don't use sunscreen. You don't need to use sunscreen at night. You just need to use only your moisturizer and every other thing. Then after that, I go in with my body mix. So this is the body mix I use on my skin. I use this and I use this on my skin. I use this to apply on my skin. Body mix is something you should include in your skincare routine. It helps to like give you this beautiful, smelly, nice fragrance on your skin, even when you're sleeping and when you want to go out. So guys, have you used any of these products? If you have, do want to share your experience with us in the comment section. Which of these products is your favorite? So guys, if you find this video helpful, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, you can as well watch this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So basically, that's what I do for my skin.